Primos Hook Hunter series produces incredible pitches and unique tones that even the wisest old Tom can't resist. The 2-inch hooks with its ghost cut gives subtle, effortless yelps, great keys and purrs. Curved hooks with its crew cut gives unique highs and low tones, cuts easier than glass, with effective rasp. Long hooks with its uppercut is extremely loud with great rasp. Sharp hooks with its spike cut gives very unique yelps. It's the most universal of the hook hunter calls.
The box call probably called up and killed more turkeys than any other call made. First patented in 1897 by a man named Gibson. He patented a box call with a hinged lid. We found a new way to hook it up. It's a magnet, and we call the call the hookup. I can even use it left-handed. Just the right amount of pressure this lid's putting on the box. I can turn it around. Comes with a gobbler band. This call makes a great rolling, cackling gobble. Gobbler band is just the right amount of tension to let that lid go back and forth. Yep, we call it the hookup. I kind of like it.
Super cool call. This is a dual threat by Knight and Hale. What makes it cool is obviously they've combined the two most popular surfaces that turkey hunters prefer. That's the glass call on the front side and you got the slate on the back side. The two differences is the higher pitch raspy sound of your glass calls. And then on the back side you got your slate. You combine that with the Ecotech Striker, you got a deadly combination. Put your gobble in a bag with a dual threat.
Hey folks, this is Pat Strasser here, and I've been around turkey calls all my life, judging them and using them in competitions. And we're over here at Esh Custom Calls today, checking out their line of calls, and I feel real honored that they asked me to come over and do a little review on their calls. And they're building some really good stuff. Curly maple and walnut, solid cherry, strikers, mouth calls, the whole 9 yards. And they got a really good thing going on here. And today we're going to go over each item for you and show you what they got. This is the long spur. It's a 2-reed batwing call. Going to sound more like a young hen, higher pitch, but still has enough rasp in it for the realism. Remember, when you're checking out Esh Custom Calls, they've taken quality to a whole different level, and you get what you pay for.
Quaker Boy box, the box. Very simple to use box call, very small, very compact. To get it to yelp, you just stroke that lid right across the side wall of the box. If you want to cut, I just turn it over and bang either the box into the side or the paddle into the side of the box. Once in a while you might need a little maintenance because this call is not waterproof or does not have waterproofing on it. You may have to, a little Scotch-Brite pad, clean that paddle up a little bit and put a very light coating of good greaseless chalk on it. The box.